If you have ever wanted to create a website like Flipkart but didn't know where to start, then this video is gonna be for you. First, have a look on the template that we will use. This is fully functional, ready to import template. It has pre-made pages and categories that you can edit and are required for this website. Not only can you create a website, but this is also one of the fastest ways to do it. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert. In this video, we will go through the full procedure of building a site, how to customize it, and what features we get. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and click on Add New Theme. In the search bar, type Shopmania. This is our theme. Click on Install and then Activate. Next, we need to purchase the Shopmania Pro version as the Flipkart is a premium template. Visit the Shopmania page on ThemeHunk. Scroll down to pricing section, choose a plan and click on Buy Now. You can find the full guide by link in description. Once you have purchased it, return to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Click on Upload Plugin and upload the Shopmania Pro file you just purchased. Install and activate the plugin. After activation, you will see it in the list of installed plugins. Go to Appearance and click on License. Here you will need to enter the license key to activate the Shopmania Pro theme. To get your key, click on Find Your License Key. Then log in with the credentials you used during your theme purchase. Copy the key for Shopmania Pro and return to the license page. Paste the key into the box, click on Activate. You will see all the templates built on Shopmania theme. This confirms that your Pro theme is activated. You can filter the templates by page builder and categories. Now search and click on the Flipkart template. You can preview the template here. After importing, your site will look like this. You can view the full site here. Afterward, click on Continue and then on Build My Website. This process may take some time, so please wait and your site will be ready. Your site is ready now. If you want to customize it, click on Customize button. This will open the site in Elementor. With Elementor, you can design your site. You can add, edit or remove any section from here. For example, if you want to edit a heading, simply click on the section and make your changes. It's so easy. After finishing your edits, click on Publish to save the changes. Now click on View Website. This is your new website and you can navigate through the pages to view the full site you just made. If you want to make further customizations, go to the top bar and click Customize. Under Site Identity, you can change your website's logo, title, tagline and upload a favicon. In the Layouts and Options section, you can explore the pre-made layouts and apply them to your site. No need to design them from scratch. You can also explore options for the layout of the sidebar, footer and pages. Under Typography, you can edit the text with the help of font families, font size, line height and letter spacing. The color and BG options gives you the full control over the color of the site, allowing you to customize different elements. In the Social Icons section, you can enter the social media handles and links so users can visit your profiles. You can also set a preloader that will appear when your site is refreshed. If you want to make changes to your menu, you can do it from here. The options for visits and homepage are also available. Additionally, there is the WooCommerce section where you can control the WooCommerce settings. Finally, don't forget to save changes by clicking the Publish button. Now click on Back button. Your website is ready now. This is how you can create website. Now let's see the features. The Flipkart theme offers a user-friendly and highly navigable interface, ensuring a seamless experience for visitors. It is fully responsive, providing optimal accessibility across desktop, tablet and mobile devices. Designed with SEO best practices in mind, this theme will enhance your site's visibility and improve its ranking on search engine. It supports popular WordPress plugins, allowing you to extend the functionality of your site as needed. ShopMania provides robust support and regular updates, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free website experience for users. Additionally, Flipkart is compatible with the Advanced Search plugin, enabling users to easily find products and browse through categories. The smooth checkout process ensures a hassle-free experience for users making purchase. Moreover, users can effortlessly add products to their cart directly from the page. If product variations are available, they can first select the desired variation before adding the item to the cart. So, we have successfully created a Flipkart Like website using ShopMania theme. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.